Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to make a Jeopardy game without using PowerPoint. We're going to start by going to this website that is called JeopardyLabs.com. On JeopardyLabs.com, you can either start browsing other people's templates for Jeopardy or you can start building your own. I'm going to show you first how to browse. Before I show you how to browse, let's look down and see what some of your options are. So first, Jeopardy Labs is awesome. There are no fees, no registration, and no PowerPoint. You can make this online and then you can download it so that you don't need internet access in order to project this for your class. So we're going to go first to the Browse category. And for start browsing, if you were doing, let's see, what's a good one? All right, geometry. So your subject is geometry and you want students to play a Jeopardy game that's all based on geometry. You go there, you click search, and right here you have a geometry view Jeopardy template. When you click on that, you can either choose edit, or if you just want to go based on what somebody else has created, then you choose your number of teams and then you do start. Right here I'm going to show you the edit mode. So when you're in edit, if you want to modify, then I'm going to make up a simple password. And basically, if this is not your template, then you go to no. If it is your template, then you go to yes. So, right here, you will have your categories, and down here, you will have the points that are associated with the questions in those particular categories. So, if you wanted to choose triangles, then you can click on 100 and find out what the answer is so that you know what the question needs to be. So, since Jeopardy is backwards, you have to make sure that whatever you're putting in the first block is the answer. So, a triangle with 3 sides the same length. Then the students would answer, what is an equilateral triangle? Okay, once you change or save a question, then that amount's going to go away because you've already assigned it with a question, an answer, and a value. So you can go through and check each one, and if you like each one, then save. If you want to change some of them, so this is under triangle, let's see. Classify this triangle by its sides and angles. So maybe you just want to do it by its angles. And we have 90 degrees, 45 degrees, 45 degrees. And maybe I take out the sides altogether. And then the answer would be, what is an isosceles triangle? Save. So, right here, this is how you edit your questions and save them. And then you're going to click Save to save that template that you've just edited. Now, the important thing to remember is that whenever you save a template, it's going to give you a link to that template. You need to make sure that you are saving these links, because if you don't save these links, then you won't be able to access the Jeopardy Lab game that you've created. So I'm going to do right-click, I'll open it in a new tab. And there you go. So, to save this, I might just want to click on the gold star and that bookmarks it. Or I might want to add it to a collection on a website or something of that nature. So, right here, I'm going to choose one team. And let's see, I'll go down and make 4 teams. That way I can split my class up into groups of, say, 5 or 6, maybe even 7, depending upon the class size. And then I'll click Start. If you want this to go full screen mode, you just do F11, and there's your full screen. So a student would call out, I want quadrilaterals for 300. When you click on the question, or when you click on the category and the amount under the category, then the answer will appear, a quadrilateral with only one pair of parallel sides and say that was team 1 and they guessed rhombus. Oh no, and the correct response is a trapezoid. If you want, you can deduct points by clicking on the negative, or if they got it wrong and they don't have any points, then you can just keep it the same. It's up to you. Once you assign the points to the respective team, you're going to click continue. Now that question goes away, and then the next team can ask the next question or click on the next answer. So triangle 300 is a triangle with a 90-degree angle. If they answer this is the right triangle, you do correct response, they get plus, and then you choose continue. Now you can play Jeopardy in one of two ways. You can do it the regular Jeopardy way, which is to have the team answer again after they got the question right, or you can just do a round robin thing where whether they get it right or wrong, it goes on to the next team. So that is how you play Jeopardy once you create your Jeopardy Lab template.